Hello, welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. We are here dealing with the tri-lock, the Gainsborough. So, we have taken the door handles off, replaced them with the ones that Paul has given us, remembering to replace that little collar. However, I still think there's way too much play. It just doesn't seem right to me. But it functions, everything functions, except the latch. Yes, I did put the placky thing on, I did put the faceplate on, I re-doweled it, re-drilled it, new screws, not too long. But there's a but. There's always a but, isn't there? I noticed something weird going on through the bolt. So have a listen, have a watch. Okay. It's through. Go all the way around. Coming back. Doesn't pick it up yet. Picks it up now. Does a click out. Then you can retract your key. But hear that? The first little click. And the second little one. That's it there. That clunk. It was doing it heaps more before. And there's, and when you throw the bolt, that's it. Look at that. Meant to still be that much play on the bolt. Like it sounds like, and it feels like there's a clutch slipping or something, if that makes sense. And the other thing is, the hole seems drilled deep enough, just I think, I don't have any measuring tools on me, but just deep enough to accept a fully extended bolt. However, like it, we go to throw the bolt, and we can't. But that is only just grabbing. See that? That undid that with a fraction of a turn. Should that be doing that? That's our hole. I reckon this is where the latch was dragging when it wasn't installed properly and the faceplate had come off. But it seems deep enough. It's just, I don't know, is this holding it out too much? I don't know. Don't know what's going on. Don't understand why it's giving me grief now. When everything's done, when I really walk away from it, it wants me to keep coming back. Paul, what do you do with locks that just want you to keep coming back to them? So, wait a moment. And as you can see in there, when you go to close it, it hasn't gone in the hole yet, but see, that moved about yay. That doesn't seem right to me either. Light should be going in a lot deeper than that. So yeah, a couple more questions, but I'm all packed up here. This is what you use walkers for. Trolley's mate. This beauty can take 200 kgs. Got four wheels with dual brakes. It's my new best friend. Okay, thanks for watching. Always questions, just need answers. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere. Oh, beautiful Nellie. Yeah, because I'm in her room. Nellie, would you like to say hello to the lock sporting public? Thank you. Don't push it. Okay. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.